I see you, Raven's Claw 1. Those birds are gonna pick on you. It's a Trippy bird. Get him. Listen to that. She's up there hassling, watching over all the lands of the crew. Don't ever think she's not smart. She's up there watching everything. She's going, man, one of them puppies would be awfully tasty right now. I'm going to see if I can get closer. Usually she flies off. She doesn't know I'm filming around the corner right now. Can't understand what she's saying, but I'm sure it's not very... There she goes. The birds are on her, the Trippy birds. Look at them. She doesn't know what to do. Uh-oh. There she goes. Let's see if the Trippy birds take care of her. They got her. Shit's hard to fall. Anyway,